Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to sign in AliExpress account. To sign in AliExpress account, you need to first make sure that you have AliExpress application on your mobile phone. Now tap on your AliExpress application. Then here you'll be taken to home page. Now here you can see account option at the bottom right corner. Tap on account. After this, here you can see sign in/register option on the top. Tap on sign in/register. Now here you'll be taken to sign in page. Here you can see you can sign in using your email address or phone number. Similarly, you can sign in using your Apple account, your Google account, or your Facebook account, or your X account. I am going to continue sign in with my email address. So tap on email or phone number box on the top, then enter your correct email address that you have used to create your account. After this, tap on continue option. Now here you need to enter the correct password of your account. Tap on password box, then enter the correct password of your account. Now if you don't remember your password, you can tap on forget password option. Similarly, if you want to sign in with your email code, then you can tap on sign in with email code option. After you enter your email address and your password, now tap on sign in. With this, you will be logged into your account. After you are signed in, you will be able to see your AliExpress account name on the top left corner. You can tap on your account name on the top left corner. Then you'll be able to see your AliExpress profile. This is how we can sign in AliExpress account. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.